Hi, in this video we are going to discuss the difference among aim, goal and objective. These three terms are closely related to each other. To achieve the aim, we set the goals, and to achieve the goal, we set the objective. Or we can say that objectives are the steps taken to achieve the goals, and the goals are steps taken to achieve the aim. After this, we can also say that aims is the broader term than goal, and goal is broader term than objective. Aim is the broader term that is something that we want to achieve in our life or within years. Being broader, these are not measurable and being constructed at national level. And the goal is the medium term as compared to aim and objective. Goal is something we want to achieve in medium time period or within year. These are more specific as compared to aim and measurable, and can be achieved at institutional level. While on the other hand, objective is the shorter term, that is something we want to achieve in very short time period. Objective should be smart. There are 5 characteristics of objective. Objective should be specific, not general and measurable. These should be achievable or real and relevant to the goal. And these should be achieved in a very specific time period. Let us try to understand these three terms within an example. For example, I want to be healthy. This is my aim. To achieve this aim, I will set goals. For example, I will sleep minimum 8 hours daily, and I will reduce 5 kg weight in this year. These are my goals to achieve my aim to be fit. To achieve my second goal to reduce 5 kg weight in this year, I will run 8 km daily and will eat fruits to achieve my goal. These are my objectives. To achieve aim, I have to achieve goals and objective. Thank you.